Quebec City. Located on the St. Lawrence River in the French-speaking Quebec province, Quebec City dates all the way back to 1608. It is one of the oldest cities in North America and is full of historic cobblestone streets and stunning architectural landmarks. Once a fortified city, you can still visit the Port St. Louis Gate, the only remaining fortified city walls in North America. Nearby lie the Citadelle de Quebec, an 18th century fort that still houses members of the Royal 22nd Regiment, and the Parliament Building, which is modelled after the Louvre in Paris. Don't miss the Battlefield's Park and the Plains of Abraham, which were a battle site in the 7 Years' War between the British and the French. It now has a garden and an ice rink. At one end is Quebec's National Gallery. Moving on to Old Quebec, you can see the Fairmont-Lee Chateau Frontenac, a historic castle-like hotel which towers over the city. Near it lies the Petit Champlain, a popular shopping quarter with independent boutiques, galleries, restaurants and a theatre. Down the Old Quebec Funicular, which opened in 1879 and connects the upper and lower towns, is the Place Royale, where you can see some of the oldest buildings in the city. Here, you will also find the Notre Dame de Vitoise Church, which dates back to 1688 and is dedicated to Saint Genevieve. You can also visit the many museums throughout Old Quebec, such as the Musée de la Civilisation, an interactive museum focused on culture, and the Musée de l'Amérique francophone, which promotes French culture in North America. Check out the Morin Center, which is a unique blend of museum and library. Also see the hip St. Roch district with its lively cafes, bars and boutiques, the St. Lawrence Riverside, which has quaint shops and restaurants, and the historic Harbour District, Viewport, is known for its vibrant nightlife. Just outside the city, you can see the stunning Montmorency Falls and the Ile d'Orleans, an island known for its rural countryside and thousands of gardens. If you visit during the winter, see the Carnival de Quebec and the festival d'Été de Quebec. There is lots to see in Quebec City, no matter what season. So be sure to see it all.